In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate on click in Canva. If you're building a presentation or a simple interactive design in Canva, on-click animations, let elements appear exactly when you advance with a click, keeping your audience focused. Here's how to set that up clearly and confidently. Start by opening your project in Canva so you're on the page where you want the effect. Click the specific element you want to animate. This could be text, a shape, a photo, or an icon. Selecting the element first is important because Canva shows you animation options based on what's currently selected. Look toward the top of the editor for the main toolbar. There, click Animate. This opens the animation panel, which is where you control how your selected element behaves. In this panel, at the top, you'll see an option labeled Appear on Click. Click that to enable it. When it's turned on, the element is now set to appear only when you click during a presentation. If you don't see a change right away, don't worry. The setting is applied, and you'll notice a small indication that the element has an on-click trigger. You can repeat this same action for any other elements you want to control. Select each element, open Animate in the top toolbar, and turn on Appear on Click. Keeping your workflow consistent helps you avoid missing an element you intended to time. To understand the sequence in which these elements will appear, use the Click Order view. In the Animation panel, click Click Order. This displays a list of all elements on the page that have on-click animations applied. The items are shown in the order they will appear as you click through. This view makes it easy to confirm the pacing of your content and ensures your message unfolds in the right sequence. If something isn't showing in the list, that's a sign that Appear on Click hasn't been enabled for that element yet. A few quick tips as you work. Make sure you've selected the correct element before turning on Appear on Click, especially if multiple items are layered. Keep your sequence simple and logical so viewers can follow along. And if you change your mind, you can turn off the on-click setting by clicking the same Appear on Click option again to toggle it off. And that's it. Open your project, select the element, click Animate, enable Appear on Click, and review the click order to see how your on-click animations will flow. This gives you clean, controlled timing that supports a polished presentation.